What's good, family? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I mail priority express mail overnight for free without coming out of pocket. This is me just showing you guys how the envelope will look once you get all the labels and stick everything on there together. And let's get into it. Alright, so you're going to make sure you got the envelope. First of all, you can order everything I show you guys from the USPS app, or you can go to USPS.com and order everything I am showing you guys. This here is the Priority Mail Express label. You're definitely going to need that with every envelope you get. And this is overnight mailing as well, so it's going to get sent out that night that you put it in the post box, and it will get received by whoever you are sending it to in about 2 to 3 days. So this is a good way I mail everything out, all my documents out to all the parties who I send mail to. That was the green receipt. That's what you're gonna get back in return once it's mailed out to the sender. Mail out to the returner. They're gonna return that back to you, signed, letting you know that they got it. So that's a receipt you keep. And this is a certified mail label. There's plenty of information out there on that. Make sure you do your due diligence on that. And this is the stamp here that you definitely need this stamp. This is gonna be your proof that this mail is prepaid and is according to their international mail manual and Taxe Percue, that this is able to happen, is definitely lawful, legal, whichever way you want to say it. So now I'm just showing you guys how to apply it, which is very simple, self-explanatory. You don't tear off that back piece. Make sure you keep that on there. You're gonna just slap that on there like that. And there is a section on there where you're gonna put a number that I will explain in a different video. And there I'm just showing you guys the tracking number. You could apply that to this green receipt, or you could put the certified mail there. Me personally, I put the certified mail tracking label on there. Now I'm just showing you guys, you're gonna put this on front of the Priority Express Mail envelope. Slap it on there like that. And then you're gonna grab your stamp. I glue mine, but you can get on Avery 1500, I think it's called, the sticky note, and just stick it on there like that, right on top of that green mail receipt. Simple. I know it's kind of messy, but just squeeze that little bit. And then finally, we're gonna put the certified mail label on top of the envelope. Once you close it up, you're gonna stick that on top of there like that. Make sure you put your documents in there first before you do anything. Slap that on there like that, and I ain't got much time. And this is me putting the certified mail stamp on there.